dropped it! Her teeth fell out!
Oh no.
Oh no.
It fell.
So I'm having a go at repairing my grill. I'm having a go. I have some sheet stainless steel that I've just cut. It's still got foam on the back because I stole this from the bus. So I'm hoping to sit that in there like so. I'm not really good at videoing and doing this stuff at the same time. I fit that in there and then rivet it on, and hopefully I need to adjust it a little bit because it won't fit. Hopefully, you'll barely tell that one's been replaced. Woohoo! Well, that actually worked better than I expected. So, there it is. That one. I had trouble finding it. And the top one's a bit dodgy. Now, if you're wondering why I'm doing it like this, look at the rest of it. This is what I'm working with. So, I'm trying to repair it as creatively as I can. Yeah, it's not in the best condition, and I can't afford $250 or however much they are to buy a new one or a replacement one. So I'm just going to make do with what I got. So yeah, I've got one tooth back in. So now I'll start looking at the rest of it. So considering what I've started with, I don't think this has come up too bad. Still got to clean it up a little bit now. As you can see, got pretty creative with the old copper wire. That was what someone else had done previously, so I just carried on that theme. It'll probably break and I'll have to do it again. But anyway, at least it's holding it together for now and it's not flapping in the wind. And yeah, I'll probably end up reinforcing it a little bit more. But no, I'm stoked considering how bent it was. I reckon that's pretty impressive.